For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.
Itiski TV, Itiski Times, World Sports Betting. Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Nkosi, also known as Lindo Pep. And I'm joined by a football analyst, Ubob Zin. We were watching Orlando Pirates versus SuperSport United, match that ended 2-2. A very interesting game, a game of both halves. I think SuperSport started the game very well, but I think that Ama decisions with coach Orlando Pirates let him down in terms of Ama substitutions in the second half. But Bobzin, at this first half. Your thoughts on the first half?
Madida kunjani?
Ngishapho
Yeah, ithi ngishaya ukhuluntasi kumajita bafowethu nikrel. Ola. Yeah, my leader, congratulations to Orlando Pirates ukuthi baqhubekele phambili ku last 4 semi-finals by beating iSuperSport kuma penalty. Yeah, I think game today, my leader, ibonakala iba ngenye indlela. I saw angazi the absent of coach Kevin Hunt. Ngibona iSuperSport ifuna kudlala ku midfield too much. Unlike lama Rutwana Snowichwa yenza. Kula game ngiboniza ngawo most of the time ifuna ukudlala in the middle of the field. Uma ngabheka overload le midfield because ibonakala uma bamile bafuna ukudefenda ngo Akhone nomdlalo ufana my captain uNyiko Modi. Plus nalentwana le usiyabonga Ndebele uHatebe siyabonga Ndebele, yes, because ngibonile ukuthi la ku winger baletha umdlali ofana no Paliti ngapha abanye le out
Umarulo Khape Usibisi no
exactly. I like the way uKhape adlale ngakhona kule midfield nomabuye nomdlalo ofana neNdlozi. I think bebonakala 50-50, just that ba ama team both of them lose their chances amaningi mawungabheka kunama mistake amaningi, especially kulama qembu mawungabheka ku final third batholile amathuba. SuperSport watholile amathuba, then yadlala ngamathuba. Even Orlando Pirates, I give credit to Ukos, ngibonile save amanye amaball whereby sibona uHoto afikile. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi naye Orlando Pirates my leader ize kule game mawungabheka beyifuna ukuyiwina le game ku direct ku first half bangayi nakuma direct nakuma extra time, but ngiyabona ukuthi imshayile manje ngoba usho coach especially kuma sub. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi bench lakhe liye laba nenkinga, especially ku introduce abadlali. Look at Tito yambona ukuthi akekho right my leader. uTito akekho right. Ngiyacabanga bampreparela lama game afana
uyaqhuka namanje makaceda ukushaya penalty. Looks like he's limping a little
later maybe, yeah, because uyambona bekambeke ebenchini. So ngiyacabanga lawa masapha amlimaze kakhulu man ucoach, because after introduce laba badlali kubenzima for I team efana ne Orlando Pirates ukuthi ingasadlala. Second half bebora my leader laba qale khona ukudlala extra time, but first half siboni ibhola we enjoying like football. Ngibonile ukuthi okay bonke bafuna ukudlala, so ngiyacabanga ngayibeka lapho my leader.
Yeah, to be honest, just to give Valanje quickly, I think Orlando Pirates was playing a 4-2-3-1 system. The only difference between that personnel and the profile ama player abawasebenzisile is that they changed their number 10. Normally badlala ngoDlamini no Tito, but today they went ngoRile, and then they had Uhoto on the left hand side and as well as Unkota, who is a little bit direct, but badlala ngoMakgopa. Umakgopa, even with the goal that he scored leadership, it's important to mention that he missed some important chances. There's periods in the game where your Orlando Pirates players were frustrated, even us sitting here in studio, and I can imagine the fans at the stadium, because there's absolutely no reason where Orlando Pirates to counter pressure. It's just an easy finish in the box where a striker, he wants to take the ball to the left and then Albui. So for me, there's so many things that are questionable. I understand that the Hugo Bros is there as a national team coach, more especially for Bafana. But I don't know whether he is impressed with what he saw. I know that we are now Sizodlalama games, qualifiers, but you check your Orlando Pirates structure, very impressed Ngombogazi as left centre back. I always say, we need to scout players who are talented, not disciplined, and then develop the talent. The boy already has the talent. He's 19 years of age. He's left-footed. He's a commodity. We need such. He's also very strong in Yawe, no petty balance. He's got technique. Bam partnerisha no Koki, who makes a blunder again. Each and every game Koki has too many mistakes, my leader. Because even that long ball, now Usipo Apuma corner, if I assess a crane, my leader, Usipo China doesn't trust them. Because Usipo China had a cover there. But the reason why I think he went out is because Bega calculated good long win the pola. But also we have to mention Lendwano Dloze. He looks, he's got a body a centre back, but he's playing as a right back. He's very energetic. I still need to see him in a 1v1 situation. But I like the fact that he becomes an extra midfielder, he becomes an extra defender. About build up, progressive lines. I like the arrogance on the ball, but I'm 1v1 defending. And then Pirates in a problem, Yembiza. la escoopini. Umuntu ogada imali yabo uMakhehleni Makhawula in my opinion today didn't play very well. There's no periods in the game where the Pirates build up, whether attack, as well as Umbacha. I think Orlando Pirates has always had a midfield problem. But for me, in my opinion, it was a very balanced game because more tricky second half, both teams were attacking each other, both teams were creative. Sipo Chaine, a couple of mistakes in this game, but made crucial saves, as well as Ricardo Kos. I think Ricardo Kos played a very crucial game for SuperSport United today.
Yeah, my lead usakhuluma ngomdlalo ofana noMbokazi lento bengisakutshela ngithi coach sometimes mangikhuluma ngamasap le asaphe kaMbokazi ikhostile ke team efana neOrlando Pirates because mangabheka kube nzima bheka lela bhola leli SuperSport equalize ngalo uMbokazi is very aggressive akusumdlalo onikeza umdlalo idistance ukuthi angasacabanga because immediately uqala ukucabanga sekakhona uMbokazi and even also nentwana efana noNdlozi I think umkhumbuzo ulibitso lo yamfana lo yade uyadlala ngakhona uyakhona ukuthi akhathe inavule lesa space sometimes decision making uma ngabafika lapha uyambona ukuthi akalutshaka afuna ukulahla uyeza azojoyina nalamajita ku midfield afuna ukubadlalisa so ngiyacabanga man coach Rivero labadlali ubalethe ngesikhathi salathi sinokhuluma nje namajita sithi no mhlambe Orlando Pirates ngathi struggle but lentwana uma baziletha uyabona ukuthi ze raise isandla zifika lapha ucabanga ukuthi mhlambe abadlali abafaka nabo Shenko abasiphakamisa isandla but lentwana uma zifika ziphakamisa ukuthi nosifuna ukudlala uma ungabheka the intro introduction yaka umdlalo ofana noSesane nako kwaba kanje
was very important
so ngiyacabanga ukuthi manje nabafana ba ready ukuthi bazodlala so give credit ku Orlando Pirates for ukuthi qualify my leader ngisasho namanje so yabona indaba yama chances uma ungabheka lama chances Mr. Umakhopa afana noSayile naye decision making mawufika lapha uyabona uSayile ukuthi naye kunamabhola amaningi la ungabheka ukuthi kumele ngabavalele phakathi so nalentwana ngifuna ukukhuluma ngayo umloyisane le SuperSport ebedlala ngale kuwinga ngale
kule ngene second half
engene second half no nayi good ntwana ngibonile ukuthi wena my leader uboy akasaba kanavala une confidence so kunabadlali obadingayo khumbula ukuthi udlala against Orlando Pirates but uyambona ukuthi ucomfortable ebholeni so ngiyacabanga my leader ukuthi no going forward sizobona semi final emnandi since Orlando Pirates qualified for kuma semi final.
Yeah, it's very important to mention in SuperSport more especially is that sharp the three-man midfield in my opinion played very well, but I think the only player that was letting down Kevin Hunt in midfield was Umabue. Umabue is always a very consistent player in terms of being a box-to-box midfielder. Khape played very well. Uboya Benyati, I don't know why Nayam Kipile, but I think Orlando Pirates, the coach almost got it wrong by bringing in Ubandile Shandu and as well as Umayela, because Mwangacha Cheka, even the goal that they equalized in, but Poboza Gumako bam dribble very easy, but Ikava Gumayela lets them down there. But in my opinion, there's so many things that the Orlando Pirates needs to sort out, but I always want to say to Amapagania, it's been an incredible season so far. They need to continue. They're in the semi-final of the... you want to come in, Mr.
Sorry to cut you. There's another game that's playing. Yeah. You're going to turn this into a podcast. The other game is 10 minutes into it, so you guys need to wrap it up. But before you wrap it up, I would like you guys to predict the semi-final. I saw a plug card there that said, we want Mamelodi Sundowns in the semi-final. Those are Orlando Pirates fans. So just wrap it up. Who do you think is going to join Pirates in the semi-final? Is Chiefs or Stellenbosch joining you guys?
Bobzin, who's joining you in the second half? I speak quick in a game.
Yeah, ngiyacabanga ukuthi i-team efana neMamelodi Sundowns izojoina. I-team efana ne ukhuluma ngala maqembu.
Kaizer Chiefs
Stellenbosch. Tough one, my leader. Anyone angayijoina kula maqembu. It's not easy ukuthi ungasho. Okay. No, ukuze ukuthi sibe right. Ngicela i-team efana neKaizer Chiefs isijoine.
The Nedbank Cup.
Yeah.
The Nedbank Cup.
If Chiefs Pirates Sundowns izoba lapho. Izoba i-semi-final emnandi my leader.
Yeah. No, the Nedbank Cup needs a Pirates, a Chiefs and a Sundowns.
Obviously, two izohlangana ku-semi-final.
Yeah. All right. Thank you very much, guys. Itiski TV, Itiski Times, World Sports Betting. Boom.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, bongani bobomnisi bafethu, ngicela subscribe ku Itiski TV.